City crews out this morning making repairs and clearing the road of debris after high winds caused power outages and uprooted entire trees. Carissa Codell is with us in studio this evening. She has an update on the power outages in the area. Carissa?
Yeah, this right here is a look at all of the power outages in Springfield. And I don't know if you can see up there, there are only 2 people that still do not have power in Springfield. But this morning, though, there were over 300 without power thanks to those high winds.
High winds can create an issue with galloping is what we call it, when the wind impacts the lines and they just continue to keep moving back and forth and everything. The system is designed to withstand quite a bit of Mother Nature.
The extreme winds this morning kept city crews busy. They were cleaning up fallen trees and broken power lines. One tree in the Southern Hills neighborhood fell and blocked the road. Crews were able to clear the road and trim the branches. Another tree fell on South Valley Road Avenue near East Sunshine Street. People living nearby say they heard the tree fall and officials were there quickly to help clear the debris. City Utilities says they were prepared for these events.
Here in the Ozarks, we get to deal with just about everything, whether it's high wind, whether it's tornadic events, whether it's ice. You know, it's kind of like welcome to the Ozarks. We're going to get a little bit of everything.
And as far as power outages for the entire state, I just checked and there are still just a couple hundred that do not have power in this state. Bailey?
All right, Carissa Codell reporting tonight. Thanks, Carissa.